Om Sai Ram children, this is Paati. I have a story for you. The name of the story is A Bundle of Sticks. Once upon a time, a long, long time ago, in a village, there were 3 neighbors. Each of the neighbors had a field of crops, but they were having some trouble because there were a lot of insects and pests biting their crops and eating their crops, and so their crops were dying. Every day they would come up with different ideas to try and help their crops. The first neighbor tried using a scarecrow on his field, but that didn't work. The second neighbor used all kinds of pesticides to try and kill the pests, but that didn't work. The third neighbor built a fence on his field. That didn't work. So one day, the village leader came by and called the 3 farmers. He gave them each a stick and asked them to break it. The farmers could break them easily. He then gave them a bundle of 3 sticks, and again he asked the farmers to break them. This time, the farmers struggled to break the sticks. And they couldn't believe it. They tried and tried, but could not break this bundle of sticks. The village leader then said, "When you work together, you are stronger. You work better than when you work alone." The farmers understood what the village leader was saying. So now they all got together and started looking after all the fields together. And then, as time went on, the pests got less and less, and the fields started growing. All the crops started flourishing. So, the story means when you work together, you become stronger. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.